attention TV so message say and any day di kan we dey pay attention TV any die ni ahobrase ma obe subscribe wa ba ye channel no so sania dwumadi ekoso nyina won so won sanso beka bi na wo hwe yi nso any die ma wo ja comment kakra e we kira ma ye be kan ma bokoboko wa wo say story bi e trendy e wo social media so abayo so no kama okoda ne boyfriend chan de chin na wa ye nyame dia ye ntimi wo say sa efu we nyame dia so ye bonsam dia wo de me hwe video no kakra emra.
Okay, Grace, right?
Yes.
Priscilla is your sister.
Yeah, she's my younger sister.
Okay, yesterday I think your elder brother sent me information on my WhatsApp, which I posted on social media. All right, can you please tell us what really happened? Just calm down. Tell us what transpired. Who is Priscilla, and what happened to Priscilla?
Okay. Priscilla is my younger sister, and she's 28 years old. And was it on the 22nd of September? That was last month, 22nd. She left the house and she went to see Richard. She sent my brother a message.
So who is Richard? Who is Richard?
Richard is a friend. They schooled in Maduna together. They were in Maduna, but she left Maduna 200 level on going to 300 level. She just left the school like that and came home and told my mom that she's not going back to that school. It caused a lot of problem because my mom was worried. Why will did you commit an offense? We had to call her friends and ask if maybe she did something in school. The friend said no. Just like that, she didn't take her bag. She didn't take anything from the school. She just told us that if we don't want her to die, we will not go back to that school. So my mom was so depressed. And then I just told her, please, since she said she's not going back, she's one that has her reasons. I tried to call her as a sister and try to talk to her, to tell me what some things are happening in this, then happening to her in the school that she don't want to talk about. But if we don't want her to die, she's not going to go back to that school. So that was how my mom now looked for admission for her in Adeleke University. So that was where she now went to Adeleke University. She finished from Adeleke University. Yeah. So my brother later told me that she left that school, my younger brother, that she left that school because of Richard. They've been friends, Richard or Moba. So that she left school because of Richard. But he did not give me details. And I asked her, she didn't want to say anything. So on the prior to 22nd of September, I noticed that Richard has been trying to call her. In August, when I was at work, she was with me and her phone started ringing. She now said, why is Richard still calling me? And I said, Priscilla, can you stop talking to this boy? I have a bad feeling about him. I don't know why. Can you stop talking to him? And she was like, yes. She didn't pick the call that day. But he has been calling her. That he wants to see her. They've been friends for long, but they stopped talking when she left Madonna. Then all of a sudden they reconnected and started talking again. Yeah. So and she's in a serious relationship. So I was like, please, can you avoid this person? She was like, yes. She's not going to go.
Go ahead.
All the time she has been to Richard's place. She goes with my younger brother. But it happens that day she decided to go and she did not go with my younger brother, but she sent him a message that she was going to see Richard. So maybe because most of the time I tell her, please, I don't want, even my mom, because Richard has come to our house before when they were still in Madonna. He has come to our house before, and when she was still in Madonna, Richard's mom called my mom. I remember that day vividly when she was still in Madonna, that Richard likes Priscilla and she would like Priscilla as an in-law, like a daughter-in-law. And my mom told her that they are still young. Priscilla is just 17. Can we just wait, let these children finish school first? I remember that day before she now just left Madonna like that. So they stopped communicating and they now reconnected and started talking again. Throughout this year, he has been calling her. He has been calling her that he wants to see her. If she posts something, he will comment. Even one of her friends in Lagos even sent me a screenshot of she posted something on her status because she hardly posts on social media. She can just post and delete. She's that kind of, she likes, it's very private.
O share video no na etise na nsem bi say na si na o hwe abawe o 20 years na chese o ye youth o ja no ahode o sa na guy no so wono so ye young guy nti na me hia eye youth for na me ne o matena se na o so akiro madwe sani abrabo no yesi bono this era wo fata mo akwa
mami e yo so ma
bibi aboko di
ba chu ya mi ado
o mo ayefe
so mo ayefe pa
sa ti she jo ya mi te hu se o she in fact e bo ho pa
so that's all
aso na me wasre muhima eye Fatima wa Hasania o hwe Fatina ni ma ye kama ya obeka bibia kire YouTube sister Fatia akwa ba
ya
ene de ye nim se wo be ma ye ku bibia kama
ba
wo fata se wo ko hwe video na ye de tu da no o hwe
be hwe kaka
e de na wo ka fa ho asa me bisa o bibi
be jira kwanya we so achia ahwefo a omo hwe yen live on YouTube and attention TV e koso akachi am se mo subscribe na mo like na mo medjuma ne koso so mama we de we bisa se
bisa pa e mo hu
e se misumi chire
sa
e jama ko YouTube de na eja ye wo ho am de be ma blantie ne maba we na chese e timi abo ase ne o man put ne koso I think Sadia, you know, this is not the first time I deal with yes.
Not just a
Tessie. A Tessie. Now, they be a say, if we are see, Ubi any fear with flim. Ubi any fear with flim, any home homa, it so what I say. I say, Ubi in Peru, because we depend on crowd, say they, who you were. So what I say, indeed, they be a say, I deal be very funny wedding. We be back for yes, I did. Edia Maniaba. Minim ababa wano efia ofrim ana minim abante nso efia ofrim enti no eya disuade ma ye nyina as a youth wasiso a obo bra wo ba enka jemi se azumasi da bia okoda be ma nchen da bia fani tri di munti no besi mekwa akoye ebia na wo bekwa akoye no na akofa asem foforo se ne ene asematu yenwa bei enti eya disuade ma ye nyina enti enhwe se da bia nso no ye besue bibi afrim because nsema e ko nyina ya de eboye nkaye eboye kokko be ya ne ebuni aguaso
minister wo se wo kasa no wo se wonnim fie a wo mo firi ntina se se ano wo di wura honhom ma na se bia ne fie fo na
mo
ama sanso de ya to na na
me kwata metue mi fie nye
ti won try
dabi me bobla e wi aso wo se wo hwe wunchi ansa ngo to na mu bi pictures of my watch as my maker wo hwe wunchi ansa ngo to na mu bi because me de me ho be mfato ho sa de we kebi ya to me
sa
but the yankopo also dey twitwa me ti firi ho na me say me
si sen
oh
sa obo ne to a won sole
ni say me bo ne to a won sole say me de ja obi ka say wa we adi aguru ya ye kakra na ye afide
oda say do sa so na mu jom kwan sa na enye yi
oda be da ye oda ho tin kaja me plena
onje so
yeso me plena
onje so
mi hu ade kro
na wo so na o ye ne
ni so na say me ye ndi na me say ade papa mi se wo mi pa ya ba ya manie mi pa ba ya manie papa mi se wo na me bom pa ye ne ja nti mi piese oh mi piese me kofa taxi aba na chese matam na tu na chese de ko satam se hon be bia na etini o kwalebu e kan se ai beta hon nti hon be kwalebu ti mi kofa taxi di du gate na no am ye se bi epuna na me so asole timpa ne so Tvgh ko mi ankopo be da wasi ifiti wona me se me so ba be ba be da me nchen amadi achi ajis ma wale eni wa wale dia se ne mo obi a di 20 na ko ba sa akra na oni ha enti na me di ya di suade ma me ho se sa de wi no mi ntu sa na mo ni bi mu da e obi wi ase ni me ye yenso abo ane because say the can obi ani fia ofiri mu bi ade mabusu apese wa fa so nyame no no ene se me kwakofo obi abayo ma na bada me chani agiri me na tafo nyame ne mabusu ani ade ade nti eya ade bu ana eya ka ade bu ayo physical yo spell ade bu a ukoma otumi se eya spiritual se so ma me so obi koda ho da bi atimi sole kofa ne hudi me ni mo ba bi a ohwe me a wada da
bia wada
but e bi a lady ba ko pe Eja ko say one
pen.
One pen. Ana ko fa wi na ba.
That's it. Fati Semuima, as a young lady like you, Ube TV to Maba wonderful say, so could that be my demo a year and a year.
Yo, Elusia for Mema Ubibia, Papa, na me find the attention to you for us. Say, I'll move mammy, when ye are meet me, Miss Mabet na ham bet my dream. A far as summer air connoisseur. Na medical adults of mammy, I say, never now with the sun. Okay, you now more banner dear. Will be a mobile nana sembesi. On your trimp nano, now so the nyansa a bit too kakra. It is all ya baba one always so. Now we'll trimp now. Ube say na, ube see a trina afa.
Internet is our trim plan, our parties are so mudding Yansa Kakra.
Aha, Nyansa need to say.
Wow,
Would the bear man be cold bushing fear?
wow,
Now the napper on my man.
wow.
No moon say, only bear me and a walk. And there are some tour. Now we bush your phone say, and as soon as see hot and a war. Now, Baba, we are can ask them so or that, bear my wa. To say, why am I media? Nasa be all corner, or be a who it chap quine. Obi wa kra ne maame enni mabrante ya okọ kra nhwa efie ka chensa ma ne nkọ na so aso den ana ofam ena ode koy enti youth no mesra mo se mo twempona na mo make sure say mo busuafo se enya wo maame ana wo papa wo de wo nua ba bi a oben wo a won so aha woni no e wo san komo no wo be chire bibie mu a chire ebe asam to a aha na mo ehu sei na obesi aka afa
So, Muhima was a miss our question. Sir, Moshi, yes, dating and our courtship now. I was so introducing the chair with Bushia for. And it's a guy, and I said, lady, wouldn't know what your mammy and now, papa, no trust say. Today be a woman down and answer some to one, not as a what pay down, so I wouldn't be problem here now.
oh that be another yes sir I don't trust it to be
In
all
the name of my introduction, today, who be damn it, then I say, be to her, Mensahum Fita, yeah, I mean, be
that and I know sound so and trust it obe kwa that be man ho says rana okosra na wako daytime imbre wa pa obeda okapa fia na o ma fia it's so be ampa mo ye na so I say nkwada bonesem na wo do ho akohye into wo kɔ no be make sure so wo be fie ebe ya be man ono so no ho enye de enkoba asem
Minister Tabrahani Kakra. Introduction no ma wo kwan se oba na se be ma. Fani ye nia opebiana.
Say kwan be so sa say bia because me to me no on worry no
Yeah.
it you know uni access one so sa. Yes, in the first place because say wakobokokoko wakoje list ni bia wakototo ho ne why ne ho ade ma me nka ne sa ene wo on sa one so wo apan one so but so far as ya awofo ne sheda nyintu because minima awofo bi a agise bi a omo ayo safo ne wo but as a parent omo raise omo back to the standard bi a omo hwehwe bi papa bi afiri ne ho no on 20 by jeje mu send the ba se bi on konkotwe plan na on ko bisa but is all ka say ego a wo twa na the experience at home me to me ne ka me kwanka say we chai yes because you need play more experience me nim say yeah twempena more experience because bibia timisi etino so far as awofo no so omo pene so say ene ne ba ne hihye hu so omo mpini so me to me no say me man ko ade anka just stay out say the be ya obenya peace of mind because you awofo ni bu awoko omo ma ho a ebi obetima ka say me twema omo no be hama omo mpene so entino se wonso be ma no waso ye dene na so mame ni kabi ku aminti mi ni obi a okope ne baba na o mame na mpene boy ni didi mame na tem so what I say e ma ne ko ye sempi enti mame a okope ne ba na o kope no na wo so wonti ase na wo boy no chinchina etwan no wo pa che say enti no mame no so wasem bi obetima ka to so a wan hwe akra ne be di side a bad luck e de be bre wa bra bo no hunu hu anu da enti ye hye no so ye pa na ye ma ye ni na ho as a youth me da bia me two omofo e se me ani da ho because ade a obeya e ma wo da chintimi wi wo peye no just stay out twu hu free ho enya nto enya ntua we yitu ne fo ye tunefo ade bia ya se asem bia besu ba franka siso ye tunefo kan ye kan ne bia wanti ana makọ sadia akwakoto abanti adase maame na adase no ani parent etunefo sa baba we ya woni nam yi
28 years
ya hweyi ana se bia oba ni su parent e ka chen se abanti ya wonso ni nam yi wonso hwe ni yi empo maame ni betima te boy ni woni se mame ba ni hu biem na wo ba me ba ni hu biem a se ana beto mo ana wo bu ni egu na so ana se ya kwakoba nti na yafutuo ma yinina
se muhima as o won kan ha se na se o maame wa ha wasi fie wa ha wo ho kwan se wo san o yi sika foforo e high down wo ba bia na as a young lady a dream be na be ba otimu nte betimi ama wa yesa
okay ebe depend obi wo ho a ebe ye adwuma nsem
okay
say maybe ne maame ete ablekuma ha amu fi no oye adwuma wo East Lagos
okay and they
be fan say transport nti wonya kakra single room betimi akwaje na wa rent wo ho nanso mepi no mama wana maba na say ebi mo de ye mpna twe
edan no
say ne busuafo wo fie obi antu ye nanso no etu no ho akorent dan say one be ma ekotena obi wa otimi korent dan no kra na wa frɛ no boy no
say omo mra no montena
amo metena
ana say be ma na kwa anso no wa frɛ lady no
sa
say bra
sa
be ka me ho
no kra Salome na be ma no ko Salome
so anu ni Salome no be ma ogoda o ba nchen
na Salome
okay
it's ane de menya sure say a good idea say obusuafo wo fie obi antu ye anso a wetu efiri ho a reason bia eni ho say adwuma say na mekan no na wa wetu ekọ daabi and the means nyansa bia eni
so minister that your final way the food to we are not bad sim him ho the food to find out the bema a young guys or what to say wow we should almost be sure we say that when your life experience na we can with this see
okay ya make catch you tonight say before say about branko ye ni ye mo branko ye chi sa ahyase mpna twen ne ade enioma oseye bibiriba ema one vision ekechi because ababa wa sebi o ma me titi ni mo wi mu edwa ko to school mu se ko le ko suade na daachi bi o daachi etime wi peye na wa ko nyinsen wo ko nyinsen wo be nyinsen 9 months 9 months getting to 1 year na wa be wo makwala na di 3 years ansa na wetimi afa wo adi wo betime mu around na o di sa 4 years ni tifli wo fi mu a na je se o mle na na ekachi ye bobla so ko yanim nti de meka chi mu nya ne se wo botayi bi si wani so a ense se wo teteni childhood relationship ni sa de fine our ready e de obi abewa eden ya
tokro na esi da
obi sa de ya wo pli hui we wanyiri kura na ja wa na oda wo nche kura na wo ni se wa ya se enti ne ye susu empire ho yesusu empire ho na ye hwe botaya eda yanim any vision ayo ne die awofo ne nso bi da bia medwe awofo ne ho because obata bia wo yem hyehye ma ne ba obata bia ne se ne ba ebe ko na ni e wa abrabum enti se wo ba pa ana wo mame abọ ho ka na wo be yem pna twen square se ko we so nko oba ne be ma ne mpema gro ni ade na ma aye bibiri nkofo nso afa ho bibiri bia me nwa be ma we bi na ya wi na se ye koda nkunche na butaya na nkesi abrantie ni su senkaja konam nyom to so ebe yi bia bo abusua no ni nyina aka
obanti
wati asi udi yimi ama abusua nti ye nyina na ya disua de ma ye hwe butaya isi ye so ni tu ho na mo na ewade mo aye
se muhima wo so kasama man efutu be na ode be ma young ladies na wo mo so sebe wo mo ta ko de dadida efutu be wo mo ta ko de dadida ma de chi
me dance ene efutu kakra me wo edema young ladies no nini na ne se wunim se wa hu se wa shode a
o se be wa hu se wa shoro a se muhima so de in fact o ha adwen yo se wa hu se
na mo ka no
hu se wa shoro a
na se sa na mo ka no
sa
na soro hu se wa soro na ubetimi ahwe wo ho ana wonya bema bi a o hwe o de a ene we de mesre se wo bekọ na wo ne bema na call ma me ho na ma akọhihya aware kwan so na nso menkọ na nkoye nkodabo ne sem na emfa amane hunu bia embre wo busuafo te se video ya edika hwe efa baba wa ni ese ko hwe nkodabo ne sem ena de no koye
okay
ena enne wato na na mo e wonse do nti miami nua ma no mesra mo kotodwe gufo mo hwe na abrabo no ye hwe na ye mbo ne yie ebi se obia wo ni future obia wo bibi wo ni ni so a opeso ye de onye
nti na je se huma wo de won try bi da
oh dabi
won try bi da
dabi
enya ni awati kura be ma ho ye kura bi
menya kura bi
o ka so be kura wo ye bi
menya bi miami de tu me ho fo
Media Master Mobile Minister Tani Slim Hima Fatima. I will say, we are doing commodity no, ebesi na someway, a sembia, a mood to pass away a bema, and also bana se be true and fat. Emma Usus were two mukran to me, and Yamiam Wawa, Peja Power Blabomu, dear wound to me, and Peja Binda. Messa say, this video, ya, by Rakama 28 years, was shending Concorda Bema, the said Bema one, a panibiana dubi, and answer Sebbi, a bianan, demono, a dorsal do. Just say, a sempi, Messa say, I ever to you for now, Yakin with and appear in Tuana Metans and Minimia, Minister Tani Fatima, him a better than Commodity, ever soon.